Dear Marissa, I'm so thankful that today I get to marry my best friend. I'm so excited to start this new chapter of our lives together. This is only just the beginning, and I'm so happy knowing I have such a great partner to spend the rest of my life by my side. It takes months of planning and coordination to plan a wedding, and in our case, years. You've done such an amazing job planning our wedding. I hope everything goes absolutely perfect for you today, because you deserve it. I can't wait for the moment those doors open and I get to see you walk down the aisle. I have no doubt that you will be the most beautiful bride ever.
Tyler, first off, I want you to know how much I love and care for you. I can't believe this day is finally here. I've been imagining it since I was a little girl. What I couldn't imagine is what an amazing man I would have standing by my side for the rest of my life. I am so thankful to have found the person I want to spend forever with. You're the person I run to when I'm excited. I look to you in times of despair. And above all, you're the person I love to laugh with. I'm so blessed to have been by your side to watch you grow into a strong, confident, hardworking, and loving man. We've been through a lot together, but I know having you by my side has made each challenge and each celebration worth it. I can't wait to walk down the aisle towards my best friend and my future. I love you, Marissa.
7 years ago, I never realized what an incredible journey we were about to embark on together. I love that over the past 7 years, I have never faced life challenges without your unconditional love. Even on the days when I have struggled, the future seemed uncertain. Not once did I have to walk alone. I remember the day I proposed was one of the best days of my life up until this point. If I could relive one day, that would be it. As I'm writing you this, I feel excitement in my stomach and certainty in my heart that as 3 p.m. gets closer today, I truly love you and can't wait to love you for all the days to come. Marissa, I'm so thankful that today I get to marry my best friend and soulmate. You bring out the best in me and those around you. You make me laugh, you support me through good times and bad. You guide me through all of life's ups and downs. You've helped me grow and become a better person. You have taught me the importance of patience and perseverance. I promise to never lose our spark and to always do the little things that make you happy. I promise to be there for you during all of life's adventures. I promise to never stop working towards our life goals. Marissa, you are my everything. You are my light, and you've shown me more love than I've ever known. You are the person I want to spend forever with.
Tyler, who would have thought that guy I made wait an hour and a half for our first date 7 years ago would turn out to be my best friend and the person I want to spend forever with? I love that you bring laughter into our home. I love that you always put my happiness first. I love that you're so thoughtful and never forget to do the little things that mean the most to me. You've helped challenge me to be the best version of myself, and for that, I am grateful. I promise to always be there to help you through tough times and celebrate with you through good. I promise to always put us first and work together as a team. I promise to be thankful for you each and every day, and I promise to always be your best friend. Above all, I promise to never intentionally disorganize the supplement cupboard and never get water in your supplement containers. I can't wait to spend forever with you and grow our family. I love you.
Therefore, by the power vested in me by this province, I now pronounce that they are husband and wife. You may kiss your beautiful bride.
Marissa, I have spent my entire life looking up to you. I have watched you grow into the most remarkable woman. You are my role model and inspiration. You have dreams bigger than you, and I am so happy and proud of you for accomplishing everything you've ever wanted.
You light up a room anywhere you go, and people are always smiling and laughing when Marissa's around. And I think I speak for everyone when I say we all wish we could have a little bit of Marissa's spice. Now, today I officially turn my partner in crime over to her own partner, her husband. And although I'm sad to partially let her go, if it's gonna be to anyone, I'm glad it's to you, Tyler. I know you make my friend very happy, and that's all I could ask for.
Tyler's the best man that I've ever known. From the day I met him until now, it's been a privilege to be his best friend and a part of the McIntyre family over all these years. But that being said, Marissa is still way out of his league.
Witnessing Tyler grow from being the cutest little boy to the handsome man he is today. And so, we root for him now as he begins a new journey with our daughter-in-law, as we can all attest to the fact that she makes him happy. I found a quote that reads, "A man that treats his woman like a princess is proof that he has been born and raised in the arms of a queen." And this is your queen.
Tyler, I owe you an apology. As you won Marissa's heart and asked her hand in marriage, everything stopped and we sat in the front yard. When it comes to your time and a knock on the door for your daughter's hand in marriage, wait 30 seconds, because the kids in the future aren't as classy as you are.
One of the most prominent and important people to enter your life many years ago wanted to make sure you knew he was thinking of you and offers you these words on your special day. Dear Marissa, I know this might come as a surprise for you on your wedding day. Mom and Dad were kind enough to let me know about the happy occasion, and I was so delighted about the exciting news. I first want to start by congratulating you both on finding each other and wishing you a life full of happiness and good health. May your love for each other grow with each passing year and your friendship develop into a strong bond that carries you through life's events. I send you my heartfelt wishes for continued success as a person and family, and will leave you with one of my favorite quotes from Seneca. True happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future. My very best, Tony Curry.
Marissa, your personality is one to aim for the stars. If you fall short, you hit the moon. Either way, you're out of this world, kid. We love you.
To my beautiful wife, Marissa, thank you for everything you've done to make this day so special. It wouldn't have been possible without you. And thanks for everyone for being here tonight on our special night. We love you all and hope you have a great night. And enjoy the open bar. Thanks.